It's like every time I look at him, I keep seeing an Asian. I give it to you, and that's what it is.
Like, are you serious?
I'm with her. We've been rocking. Went and brought her a new bed.
Yeah, this is just a perfect furniture guy.
I mean, yeah. I put food in the house.
What about, he tells a story about the baby not...
Being his?
Yeah.
I did cheat. I made a mistake, and I regret it. I told him I regret it.
Yeah. So
I don't understand why you keep saying you forgive me if you keep throwing it in my face and bringing it up.
That's a good point.
Look, every time I tell you I forgive you, I do. I want to. Yeah, but it's like every time I look at him, I keep seeing an Asian. I'm not seeing me. So it's like every day I wake up and look at this child, I gotta know that I'm sleeping with a chick that has somebody else too.
Okay, you've made mistakes before too, AJ.
Man, I ain't had no baby that would by no other chick beyond you.
Okay, maybe you didn't. That was a mistake, and I said I was sorry for it.
And that's an 18-year mistake that I gotta live with.
Do you love him?
Yes, I do.
Prove that. How? What have you done to really show that? I mean, for real, besides let me sleep I could sleep in a box.
Yeah, you could.
So what are you doing that, you feel me, is
so
proving...
why'd you come to my house if you could sleep in a box? Why did you come?
I'm at your house, I'm at TT's house, I'm at my mama's house.
Why didn't you stay at that bitch's house? Why do you always come back to my house?
Man, because you just a fling. Every time, remember we was doing the Cuddy Buddy thing? So I said every time you call me, you want something, I give it to you, and that's what it is.
Here's TT.
You sat here and told me you wanted to be with me. Like, are you serious?
Yeah, man.
This girl's pathetic. She ain't got no job. You pay her bills.
I'm pathetic.
And the only reason you stay is because of this baby. And it's barely yours.
And you're trying to take him from his son.
I'm not taking from I condone him of being a father.
What do you do for him besides open your legs for him?
You know what I do? Have your baby get diapers. Have your rent get paid. Oh, that was my paycheck.
Bitch, I pay my
rent. Get your son. When he come get your son, who car he pull up in? Oh, what's up? Like, we just talked about this. This girl's pathetic. Very. What is she?
What is that?
Man.
What is she?
Both of y'all good bust. So that's all I look at. I mean, I'm with her. We've been rocking for a minute, so yeah, you feel me? There's some feelings there, of course. But at the end of the day, I don't want to do that no more. So you feel me? I try to pursue something with you.
Okay. But don't sit here and tell me you want to be with me, this, that, and the third, have me plotting and planning. And what is that?
I mean...
Tell me what that is. She barely your baby mama.
He's saying he still has some feelings.
Okay, and they've been rocking
Bitch,
for 2
my
years.
son is his. My son has his name.
DNA
he raises my son.
DNA